Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie and it's Sunday here in the UK. It's a bit grey. I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone who's continuing to watch my videos and comment. Sorry, Molly's behind me whining. I really appreciate everybody really who just watches, and thank you for that. If you comment, that's lovely. I do try and reply to everybody. I hope I don't miss anybody out, but sometimes you don't always get the notifications. Anyway, I'll try not to rattle on too long. This first journal is a private swap. It's for a lady I met here on YouTube, on the Junk Journal Junkies site, I think. Turned out we lived quite close to each other and we've since met up, which was lovely. And we're doing a swap. She gave me a lovely journal and this is mine back to her. It's 5 1/4 by 7 3/4. It's the original book cover. It's an old book, school story, obviously. This is about 1.5 inches, I guess. I've left it exactly as it was. It's I've used a decoupage medium over it to strengthen it, a little bit of paint and PVA glue to strengthen here where it was very worn, and the actual it's what do you call it, hollow back binding, and I've strengthened the spine with Tyvek, I think, and card. So let's take you through this one quickly. I left the original, I tore this inside paper here to leave the original inscription. This book was given to somebody in 1945, Jan, I think. With lots of love, Mummy and Daddy. I thought it was quite sweet. And I've used some of the book pages to decorate. This is chiffon ribbon that I've ruched and glued on. In all of my journals recently, and probably for the foreseeable future, I've been using Tracy Fox's labels. The definitions, the numbers, the science ones, they are just wonderful. The blank ones are brilliant as well. I've used those. They honestly, Tracy, they are great, so thank you for those. So I've used vintage papers, some washi stickers. This is a little vellum pocket with a pocket card inside it. It's an old map. This is some book page. Just a little bit about June in there. I've done some snippets, which I quite enjoy doing. This is a 1922 ledger page. I think I saw Carol maybe do this. And then I've just, again, put in an Edith Holden page, just folded like an envelope there. This is an old French book, a little tag that I've made, and the centre of each signature, I think there are 3 in this journal, is an Edith Holden page. Some stenciling. That's the other side of that ledger. Again, I've seen a few people do this sort of snippet collage, I guess, and I like the way that looks, so I copied that from somebody. Thank you, people. If anybody wants to copy me, they're very, very welcome to. I'm pretty much of the opinion that unless it's literally my idea, then it's fair game for everybody if I put them up here on YouTube. This is a blank label that I've split on an Edith Holden tag. And I've just done a little punch out at the top there instead of a tab. This is either side of the page. Again, I've just cut out. I mean, if you were doing this, you could make that into a notebook or some kind of booklet. It's a decorated or guest check. That's a Mrs. Cog image. This is from Nick the Booksmith, one of her pages. This is a picture from the an illustration from the actual book, and I've just put a snippet tab at the top there, and it's on card, lightweight card. This is a belly band, a little stopper at the bottom just to stop it falling out. This is a reproduction alterations tag. Let's just edge the page there for a bit of interest. I can't remember who this is from. Possibly Auntie May's, but I really can't remember, sorry. This is an envelope. Just decorated just a really simple envelope. I think I saw Tracy do something similar to that originally, but I see a lot of people do it now. A few flower fairies in here, of course. I can't resist them. Just a journal card from one of the old Observer books. This is a postcard, a vintage postcard. It's not written on, but the colours looked pretty. Again, this is from the an illustration from the original book. It's another faux inventory tag this time, washi sticker. I've used a few maths pages and shorthand because it's a school story. And I've put a few book pages in the back just in case Jay wants to use those to decorate the journal a bit more. So that's my Nancy No Good at School journal. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon.